Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 13th to 17th July 2026. So let's go straight to a chart. So first let's see what happened in Euro USD on Friday. So as you can see 0.14% negative move. 1.14129 was the closing on Friday. So here now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So let's straight away talk about the closing first or the momentum during a weekly chart. So yeah, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, we can see a medium body bearish candle with a medium body and a medium lower wick and a medium upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around 8-9 level, which is indicating as a positive move. But remember, as we always say, even though stochastic RSI is around oversold area and indicating as a positive momentum, but we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair like any news or important events and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here this is a one-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here let's talk about the closing first. So here 1.14129 is the closing. Here the direct support is 1.13921. Direct resistance is 1.14165. After direct support, there is a support of 1.13694 and then 1.13456. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.14517 and then 1.14805. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So before I talk about my opinion in Euro USD for this week, if you don't have enough capital to trade in Forex market, then I have already given link in the description of prop firms where you can open your account from there and get funded. I have also shared discount coupon codes which will help you to get maximum discounts on any challenge that you buy from those platforms. So if you're interested in that, you can open your account from there. But if you feel these prop firms has very strict rules, then you can also open your live account. You can start with the $10 as well in live account. So if you're interested in that, then I have already given link in the description of GTC FX. If you face any issue while withdrawing or depositing your money in GTC FX, if you use my link, I will help you with all the issue that you face during the GTC FX withdrawing or depositing or any other issue. I will help you with that. So you can use the link given in the description of GTC FX and you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will help you with the same. So now let's talk about my opinion Euro USD for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a positive move in this range, that is 1.14165 to 1.14517. I'm expecting a positive closing in this range. But if you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 1.13921 gets breached and a 4-hour or a one-day candle gets closed below this, then you can go for a short till this level. Even you can wait for this level as well. Overall, my expectation is a bit positive in this range for this week. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.